Hi everybody, it's the old comic collector here with another unboxing. We've got a pile today, two smaller ones, one big one which I think is a slab, so we'll come to that one. Let's get right into it. Okay, first one, nice sturdy mailer. See what's in the box, and we've got some moderns for you today. Strange Academy 1. Lots of first appearances in this book. It's been popping really since it came out. It's only been out a short time. But yeah, lots of first appearances, lots of specking. There we go. Let's give you a look outside of the bag. There we go. Strange Academy 1. Yeah, really popular book. May 2020 this one came out. Yeah, it's been creeping up ever since. Long-term spec. Could be something down the line on Disney Plus. Could be nothing. Who knows? These books, there's no guarantees with these books whether they're going to go up, down, or stay as they are. Pay your money and you take your chance on these. Nice looking copy though. A little bit of dirt, discoloration on the edge. Let's see if we can get that off. It's a bit of a shame. See how we go with that one. Also with Strange Academy 1, we got Strange Academy 2. This was in the same auction. Both of these books. Down as near mint, both of these books were. Let's see, that's what they are. At least, can't see anything wrong with that one. Nice edge. Yeah, nice. Pleased with those. Let's see what we paid. Oh, yeah, actually I had them down as a 9.2, the seller. So I have to have a look at that number 1. I'll pop it up on the screen if I think it's any different from a 9.2. Paid £54 for number 1 and £9 for number 2. Actually, they were actually two different auctions, but from the same seller. Okay. Another package. Got a jiffy bag on this one, but it feels like there's cardboard inside. Let's see what we have. Indeed it is. 2 pieces of cardboard with the book in between. Taped to the cardboard. Let's get that. 2 pieces of backing board as well. Let's pull both of those out. Take them out of the bag, which I won't be reusing. Okay. Alright, I remember this one. Wolverine Number One. This is in 1988. His first solo ongoing series. He had the limited series back in 1982. There is a mark on this one on the back, as you can see. He said it was like a fingerprint, so I'm going to see if we can do anything to that. But apart from that, it is nice looking. There is another reason I bought this one. Because inside the front cover, you can see there, that is the signature, hopefully, of Chris Claremont, who wrote the X-Men for 16 years and also wrote this series. That's the reason I got that one. Apart from the mark on the back, it's a really nice looking book. I had it down as a possible 9.4. Obviously, that's dependent on me removing that. You can see there is some more markings there, just on the black. Very difficult to get in high grade because of the black back cover and the black front cover. The actual front cover really looks nice, actually. Little tick there, just on the edge. Another one, there's one there, could well press out. So you have it down as a 9.4. We might be able to push it to a 9.4, maybe a 9.2. I'd be happy with either of those. Nice looking book though, with the signature. I think there's some mileage there to increase the value. Paid this one, including postage, £39. Assuming that is the signature, that's a good buy. Good, good. The last one, and it's the biggie. Got a feeling this is a slab. So we'll get into this. Slowly box, which I will reuse. Nicely packaged. Yeah, we got paper packing either end. And good old bubble wrap surrounding it. Nicely wrapped. Really nicely wrapped. Double layer of bubble wrap in this, surrounded by the big layer in the actual box. Really nice. And the slab has still got the bag on, which is always good. Let's pop him out. Let's see what we have. It is War of the Realms, New Agents of Atlas number 1. And it is a 9.8. Bought this already slabbed. I thought it was quite a fair price for this one. Again, this is a book, much like Strange Academy. You can see there's quite a lot of first appearances in there. Multicultural characters in this one. So again, we could be having something coming to the MCU with one or more of them. Shang-Chi there in the bottom. He's getting his own movie that's coming up. Oh, excuse the glare. Paid for this £101.50, including the postage, which for a 9.8 in this book I thought was pretty good. If you don't think it's good, if you think that's overpriced, leave me a note down in the comments. See what you think about my other grades. Let me know how I'm doing. But this looks really nice. It's actually my first 9.8, which is exciting. Yep, hopefully one of many. I don't have to have 9.8s. Some people really just collect 9.8 books. It doesn't bother me. It's all about the importance of the book, and whether people want it, what the collection, how people are collecting them. That's what it's all about for me. So War of the Realms, New Agents of Atlas, number 1. It doesn't say cover A, but I think this is like a cover A because there are, of course, quite a few variant covers on this one. So again, I'm pretty happy with that one. Okay, that's it for today. Nice short video, unboxing, seeing what I got, catching up with the eBay purchases. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, There's more coming down the line. Next one's going to be another CGC unboxing. Got a big box here, I think probably 12, 13 books. One of my bigger tiers that I submitted, so it's going to be quite a good one. So look out for that coming soon. Take care, see you soon.